Good morning, sir. This is Cadet Balicastro. Today, we will talk about the Beaufort Scale. Beaufort Scale, in full name, it is a Beaufort Wind Force Scale. A scale devised in 1805 by Commander Francis Beaufort of the British Navy for observing and classifying wind force at sea. Originally based on the effect of the wind on a full-rigged man of war, in 1838, it became mandatory for log entries and all ships in the Royal Navy altered to include observation of the state of the sea and phenomena on the land as criteria. It was adopted in 1874 by the International Meteorological Committee for international use in weather telegraphy. He also intended to help the sailors estimate the winds via visual observation, and the scale starts with 0 and goes to the force of 12. The Beaufort scale is still used today to estimate wind strengths. And right now I will show you the 12 force wind scale. And here it is. It is a Beaufort scale force 0, 1 to 12. Right now we will talk about the uh, description of these terms. Right now, the Beaufort number 0 is the wind speed of it is a 1 miles per hour, and the seaman terms of this is a calm, and the effect on this is a just like a calm and smoky rises vertically. The Beaufort number 1 is under the 1 to 3 miles per hour, and the seaman terms of this is light air, which means is smoky drifts indicates wind direction, and veins do not move at all. And the Beaufort number 2 is a under 4 to 7 miles per hour. That seaman's terms of this is a light breeze, and the effects on this a wind felt on face, leave rustile, and veins begin to move. The number 3 is 8 to 12 miles per hour. Term is gentle breeze, and the leaves small twings then constant motion. Light flags extended. The number 4 is 13 to 18 miles per hour. The moderate breeze. It lets the dust. The effects on this is a dust, leaves, and loose proper raise up, and small branches move. It is just like the moderately strong wind. And the number 5, it is a 19 to 24 miles per hour. It is a fresh breeze terms, and the small leaves begin to sway in the branch of a tree. The number 6 is a 25 to 31 miles per hour. It is now the strong breeze, a large branches of tree in a motion wrestling herd of wires. It is a just like a branch in a tree that falling down, or a wrestling. And in number 7, it is a 7 to 32 to 38 miles per hour. The moderate gale. The whole tree is in motion, resistant felt in walking against the wind, and it is more likely a strong wind. Number 8, it is 39 to 46 miles per hour. It is called fresh gale, and the twigs, small branches start totally to broken off, and it's more likely that the trees came to fall. The number 9, Beaufort number is 47 to 54, the strong gale. The effects on the land is slightly structural damage occurs to it, and is late blown from roofs. The number 10 is 55 to 63 miles per hour. It is the whole gale. The seldom experience of land, trees broken, structural damage occurs, house roof's house became to fall, and that's it. The number 11 is 64 to 72 miles per hour. It is now cold storm, and it's very rarely experienced on the land, usually with widespread damage, and it it is more likely the house become turn up. And the lastly, the number 12, the most strongest wind speed, it is 73 or higher miles per hour. It is a hurricane force. It is violence destruction to a thing na madadaanan nito. It became more destructive if you if it if, if it is fall into your house. And that's it. Thank you, sir.